In this time, we will to learn how to sketch from the 2 dimension to solid part in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. First, we will select to top plane and right click and click sketch. We want to make this sketch like this from top plane. In here, we use the millimeter unit. So select the circle in here. Sketch from this origin point, draw it to circle like this, and we can see in here they have diameter 22 and radius 22. So in here the diameter is 22 and this circle have diameter 44 because the radius is 22. Just go to feature and select extrude boss like this. For direction, we can select mid plane to become symmetry because there we want to use mirror after this. Okay, and then we can to change for thickness of dip in here is 40 in here for the center. Just change the 40 millimeter for thickness or dip. Just click OK like this. After that, go to feature and select reference geometry and click plane. We want to make new plane. For first reference, select this face. We can to change the flip offset. The distance is 9 millimeter. This face and to this face is 9 millimeter. So in here we can input in 9 millimeter like this. Ensure the plane is offset from this plane like this. Just click offset. Just click OK, and we just to make a plane 1. So the plane 1 we want to right click and click sketch like this. After that, we want to make a center line and draw center line in the top. Ensure to make vertical and horizontal like this. Ensure is horizontal, and select to center line like this and click make equal, because we can see the distance of each hole is 72 and 72. So we can make equal for this center line. We just to distance in here is 72 millimeter. So automatically for this center line is 72 millimeter too. Okay, like this. Select circle again. You want to make circle for this point to circle in here. The diameter is 16 and to 32. In here 16, in here 32 millimeter, like this. Then make circle again, draw like this. Set the dimension in here. Diameter is 8 and the outer is have diameter 20 like this. Just simple. And you can see in here have some fillet, so we just do make it easy. We just make a circle again in here and set the distance for this point, this origin point. We can see the distance for this point is 29. Input 29 for center and the center, and for the center to this center to the center have a high for distance like this is 35 like this. 35 for distance for vertical direction, and for distance for horizontal is 29 and in here like this 35. So don't forget to set the diameter. In here have radius 10, so the diameter is 20 like this. Simple. And we want to click convert entities to click this circle, outer circle for first circle we make before. Click this edge or this circle and click OK. We just to convert in this and make a line in here like this. Ensure this line and this line to click make tangent into in like this line and this line is click to make tangent too. Then select this line again, ensure this line and this circle, click make tangent, this line and this circle, don't forget to click make tangent too. Okay, this is simple, just make part like this. Then select a 3-point arc to make radius in here and radius in here. Just select 3-point arc like this, draw from this point and draw for this circle and this circle like this, connect. And don't forget this 3-point arc and this circle, click make tangent in here, this line and this circle to click make tangent. We can to erase, to repeat like this. This line and this circle to make tangent, this line to this circle to this line and this circle to make tangent too. Then set the radius. The radius in here is 100. Just click in here 100 like this. Then make again 3-point arc in draw like this. Ensure this 3-point arc and this circle to make tangent, 3-point arc and this circle to click make tangent like this. Okay, and set the dimension for radius in here is 45. Okay, this is simple. We can trim entities in this line like this. Okay, we just draw sketch on input all dimension like this. After that, you want to go to feature to convert the sketch to solid part. Click the extrude boss or extrude base like this. For first, we want to select select contour. We want to select this sketch first, and for direction change to blend. Select the blend direction like this. We can see the depth or the thickness for this sketch is 9 mm. So we can to change it 9 mm like this. Just click OK. See again sketch 2. Okay, we can to hide this plane. See again sketch 2 like this and click extrude boss. Okay, after that for select contour we can select this sketch cylinder and this sketch for cylinder. We can see in here have thickness 15 mm. The direction is blend. We can to change in here the thickness is 15 mm for the tip like this. Just click OK. Okay, this is simple. We want to make 2 sketch like this in here, like the arm. So we can to use the mirror feature. It's simple. So select the mirror in the feature, and for mirror feature the mirror, we can click in here, select extrude boss extrude 2 and boss extrude 3 in here. Then for the mirror face, we select the top plane like this. Just click OK and automatically to mirror to below like this. After that, we can to change the color. Select the all feature, and we want to select, for example, is like this, the blue or dark blue like this. Okay, the blue, and we can to change again for the whole the color to white like this, and this and this and this. Just click OK. Okay, this is a simple part. If you want to learn how to make simple part in SolidWorks, how to convert 2-dimension drawing to solid part like this. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you to exercise your SolidWorks. Okay, I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe this channel. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.